Welcome to uCertify, Certified Secure Software Lifecycle Professional, CSSLP, Must-Know Glossary Terms.
Term: Enterprise Service Bus, ESB. Definition: a software architecture model used for designing and implementing the interaction between software applications in service-oriented architecture, SOA.
Term: escalation auditing. Definition: the process of looking for an increase in privileges, such as when an ordinary user obtains administrator-level privileges. Term: evidence. The documents, verbal statements, and material objects admissible in a court of law. Term: exception management. Definition: the process of handling exceptions, errors, during program execution. Term: exposure factor. Definition: a measure of the magnitude of loss of an asset, used in the calculation of single loss expectancy, SLE.
Term: failsafe. Definition: the security concept that when a system fails, it does so in a manner that ensures it enters a safe or secure state upon failure.
Term: failure mode effects analysis, FMEA. Definition: a formal method of examining the causes and mitigation of failures in a system.
Term: false positive. Definition: term used when a security system makes an error and incorrectly reports the existence of a searched-for object. Examples include an intrusion detection system that misidentifies benign traffic as hostile, an antivirus program that reports the existence of a virus in software that actually is not infected, or a biometric system that allows access to a system to an unauthorized individual. Term: FIPS 140-2. Definition: Federal Information Processing Standard Number 140-2 is a standard for the accreditation of cryptographic modules.
Term: firewall. Definition: a network device used to segregate traffic based on rules.
Term: FISMA. Definition: acronym for the Federal Information Systems Management Act, a law describing the implementation of information security functionality in federal data processing systems.
Term: functional requirements. Definition: a requirement for a system that defines a specific task the software is to accomplish. Term: functional testing. Definition: the testing of software for meeting defined functional requirements. Term: fuzzing. Definition: the process of testing input validation by sending large numbers of malformed inputs to test for exploitable vulnerabilities.
Term: governance, risk, and compliance, GRC. Definition: a term used to describe the actions an entity takes to manage corporate efforts with respect to risk via a governance and compliance structure. Term: government off-the-shelf, GOTS. Definition: a software system built to government specifications and not for general commercial use.
Term: Gramm-Leach-Bliley. Definition: a federal law with privacy requirements associated with financial institutions.
Term: gray box. Definition: a system under test where the testers have some knowledge but not complete knowledge of the inner workings of the system.
Term: hash. Definition: form of encryption that creates a digest of the data put into the algorithm. These algorithms are referred to as one-way algorithms because there is no feasible way to decrypt what has been encrypted. Term: hash value. Definition: CH.
Term: Health Information Technology for Economic and Clinical Health Act, HITECH Act. Definition: an update to HIPAA, strengthening the security and privacy provisions of PHI data.
Term: Healthcare Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, HIPAA. Definition: a federal law with provisions for security and privacy of personal health information. Term: identity management. Definition: the processes and systems used to perform authentication and authorization on a system. Term: identity provider, IDP. Definition: an authentication module that uses a user-supplied security token to verify identity for authorization purposes. Term: impact. Definition:
the result of a vulnerability being exploited by a threat, resulting in a loss. Term, imperative programming. Definition, a programming methodology that specifies the specific sequence of commands a program should execute. Term, incident response. Definition, the process of responding to, containing, analyzing, and recovering from a computer-related incident. Term, infrastructure as a service, IaaS. Definition, the automatic, on-demand provisioning of infrastructure elements operating as a service, a common element of cloud computing. Term, intangible asset. Definition, an asset for which a monetary equivalent is difficult or impossible to determine. Examples are brand recognition and goodwill. Term, integer overflow. Definition, an attack method that uses integer overflow to force a program to result in an error that can be exploited. Term, integrated development environment, IDE. Definition, a set of development tools that operate together to implement elements of the software development process. Term, integrated risk management, IRM. Definition, a comprehensive set of processes and procedures used to handle risk collection, analysis, and reporting in the enterprise. Term, integration testing. Definition, a form of testing to verify that models work together to achieve requirements. Term, integrity. Definition, part of the CIA of security, the security principle that requires that information is not modified except by individuals authorized to do so. Term, integrity verification processes, IVPs. Definition, the processes involved in the Clark-Wilson model that ensure integrity in constrained data items. Term, intrusion detection system, IDS. Definition, a system to identify suspicious, malicious, or undesirable activity that indicates a breach in computer security. Term, Java Virtual Machine, JVM. Definition, a sandbox environment where Java bytecode is executed. Term, Kerberos. Definition, a network authentication protocol designed by MIT for use in client-server environments. Term, Key. Definition, in cryptography, a sequence of characters or bits used by an algorithm to encrypt or decrypt a message. Term, layered security. Definition, the practice of combining multiple mitigating security controls to protect resources and data in a system. Term, least common mechanism. Definition, the security concept of not sharing mechanisms used to access critical resources. Term, least privilege. Definition, a security principle in which a user is provided with the minimum set of rights and privileges that they need to perform required functions. The goal is to limit the potential damage that any user can cause. Term, licensing. Definition, a business model by which only the right to use code for defined purposes is conferred, rather than the sale of the product and the transfer of almost unlimited rights. Term, Lightweight Directory Access Protocol, LDAP. Definition, an application protocol used to access directory services across a TCP/IP network. Term, load testing. Definition, the tests used to determine system performance under expected operational loads. Term, man-in-the-middle attack. Definition, any attack that attempts to use a network node as the intermediary between two other nodes. Each of the endpoint nodes thinks it is talking directly to the other, but each is actually talking to the intermediary. Term, managed code. Definition, software that has its resources managed by an external sandbox-type environment, such as CLR or JVM. Term, managed services. Definition, the outsourcing of specific operational control of services to a third party. Term, mandatory access control, MAC. Definition, an access control mechanism in which the security mechanism controls access to all objects, files, and individual subjects, processes, or users cannot change that access. Term, MD5. Definition, Message Digest 5, a hashing algorithm, and a specific method of producing a message digest.
Term: message digest. Definition: the result of applying a hash function to data, sometimes also called a hash value. Term: message queuing. Definition: the use of asynchronous messages passed through queues to communicate between modules. Term: misuse case. Definition: CCT. Term: mitigate. Definition: action taken to reduce the likelihood of a threat occurring. Term: near-field communication. Definition: a protocol for the use of radio frequency communication over very short distances to transport data. Term: non-repudiation. Definition: the ability to verify that an operation has been performed by a particular person or account. This is a system property that prevents the parties to a transaction from subsequently denying involvement in the transaction. Term: OAuth. Definition: an open standard for authentication. Term: open design. Definition: the security concept of not relying upon secret designs to provide security. Term: open source security testing methodology manual. Definition: a peer-reviewed, open-source manual of structured security testing and analysis. Term: OpenID. Definition: an open standard for authentication using cooperating third parties. Term: operating system, OS. Definition: the basic software that handles input, output, display, memory management, and all the other highly detailed tasks required to support the user environment and associated applications. Term: patch. Definition: a replacement set of code designed to correct problems or vulnerabilities in existing software. Term: patent. Definition: a form of legal protection for intellectual property provided for the invention of novel items that can be demonstrated to serve a specific, useful purpose. Term: Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, PCI DSS. Definition: an industry initiative to protect credit card data in transit and storage between merchants, processors, and banks. Term: peer-to-peer, P2P. Definition: a network connection methodology involving direct connection from peer to peer. Term: penetration testing. Definition: a security test in which an attempt is made to circumvent security controls to discover vulnerabilities and weaknesses, also called a pen test. Term: performance testing. Definition: the testing conducted to determine operational performance test levels and the ability to meet SLAs. Term: permissions. Definition: authorized actions a subject can perform on an object. Term: personal health information, PHI. Definition: personally identifiable information containing healthcare information. Term: personally identifiable information, PII. Definition: information that can be used to identify a single person. Term: PIN. Definition: personal identification number. Term: plain text. Definition: in cryptography, a piece of data that is not encrypted. It can also mean the data input into an encryption algorithm that would output ciphertext. Term: platform as a service, PaaS. Definition: a cloud-based computing platform offered as a service. Term: privacy. Definition: protecting an individual's personal information from those not authorized to see it. Term: protected objects. Definition: part of trusted computing, a protected object is one whose existence may be known but cannot be directly interacted with. Term: psychological acceptability. Definition: the security principle that security-related activities need to be accepted by users, or they will be circumvented as part of normal operations. Term: public key infrastructure, PKI. Definition: infrastructure for binding a public key to a known user through a trusted intermediary, typically a certificate authority. Term: qualification testing. Definition: The formal analysis that is done to determine whether a system or software product meets specified technical requirements or standards. Term: Radio Frequency Identification, RFID. Definition: RFID is a technology that allows wireless, non-contact transfer of data. Term: Recovery. Definition: the act of restoring a system to proper operating condition after a security incident. Term: Reference monitor. Definition: the mechanism that enforces access control over subjects and objects.
Term: regression testing. Definition: this is a form of testing to ensure patches do not introduce new bugs, and also is effective on alternative versions of the software.
Term: relying party. Definition: the party requesting authentication services in OpenID systems. Term: remote code execution. Definition: the execution of code on a system by an attacker, also known as arbitrary code execution. Term: repudiation. Definition: the act of denying that a message was either sent or received. Term: requirements traceability matrix, RTM. Definition: a table that correlates the requirements of a system and where they are met. Term: residual risk. Definition: risks remaining after an iteration of risk management. Term: resiliency. Definition: the property of a system to return to a correct state after suffering an impact from an environmental factor. Term: rich internet application. Definition: a browser-based application delivered via the web that has the functional characteristics of a desktop application. Term: risk. Definition: the possibility of suffering a loss. Term: risk assessment or risk analysis. Definition: the process of analyzing an environment to identify the threats, vulnerabilities, and mitigating actions to determine either quantitatively or qualitatively the impact and likelihood of an event affecting a project, program, or business. Term: risk management. Definition: overall decision-making process of identifying threats and vulnerabilities and their potential impacts, determining the cost to mitigate such events, and deciding what actions are cost-effective to take to control these risks. Term: role-based access control, RBAC. Definition: an access control mechanism in which instead of the users being assigned specific access permissions for the objects associated with the computer system or network, a set of roles that the user may perform is assigned to each user. Term: rule-based access control, or RBAC. Definition: an access control mechanism based on rules. Term: safe harbor. Definition: a principle of meeting EU privacy requirements with US-based actions for transnational data transfers. Term: safeguard. Definition: see safeguard. Term: sandboxing. Definition: the principle of running an application inside a container, separating it from non-mediated contact with the operating system. Term: Sarbanes-Oxley. Definition: a federal law requiring specific security considerations associated with public companies and their accounting data. Term: scanning. Definition: the process of actively interrogating a system to determine its characteristics. Term: secure development lifecycle, SDL. Definition: a specific set of development elements designed to build security into the software development